All right, I wanted to show you guys my experience of buying some customized Converse shoes. One of the things that I did not realize is that Converse, which was purchased by Nike, and I had to Google that. I don't know what we did before Google. July 9th, 2003 is when the acquisition took place. Yeah, again, I didn't realize that until then. Now, if you buy Converse shoes out on the store, the price is actually comparable. So I was thinking to myself, why not get some custom shoes? And let's give that a whirl. And I was very impressed, and I'll show you. So stay tuned, watch the full video. You're going to see what it looks like, and let me know what your thoughts are. So here they have the custom button here. Actually, they've got it on quite a bit of their shoes, depending on what you're looking for, and they all kind of focus in to a custom area. And I'm telling you, man, when the person in the meeting at Nike that said, hey, here's what we're going to do, and they decided to do all of this customization for just a shoe and somehow still make money, it must have been an incredible meeting. I can imagine the pushback that must have hit this guy full on. And I'd be actually really curious to know how long it took from conception to end in practice. Really, really impressive. So I went with the low top shoe, this one right here, and you just click on the customize button, and you'll see there's $75. Doesn't change the price. You can customize this thing like crazy, and it doesn't change the price at all. So that part is really cool. So, and they've done an incredible job just even on the web design. So those of you into web design, super impressed by this. So you can choose one of three standard colors and just do add to cart, and you'll probably get it within days. If you click edit design, that's where all the magic takes place. And when you do this, you're looking at a timeline that's it took about 17 days, I think it was. So you're looking at about 3 weeks. So if you want to do this as a gift, something you want to plan in advance. We are getting into the holiday season. So, all right, let's go through the interface here. So on the left side, you have the full-size picture of the shoe, top, bottom, down, angle, every which way you can think of. Now, you can highlight sections from within this part of the user interface. So if I just click on the sidewall, right, the body of the shoe, it's the same as if I click on the body of the shoe up here. In fact, here are all the customizations that are available, and I'll go through some of these and show you. So let's go to the body. So you click here. Look at the number of colors. It goes on about 2 pages worth of colors, 2.5, maybe 3 pages. Not only colors, but they have different types of prints. There's a floral print. So that's pretty good. All right, there, cactus. That's not the design I went with, but this is just kind of showing you kind of all the different options. The tongue, this can be a different color. Why not? Let's go with orange. Okay, and every time you click OK, it goes back. The eye stays. The heel stripe can be a different color, so maybe you want to be that as red for some strange reason. You can make it so somebody could do the math on this, take all of these and come up with the total number of unique designs that they have. Let's see, there, I like that part. That I went with that one too. That's on the tongue label logo. So I went with the outdoor chill multicolor. And then on my design, I also went with where is it? Eyelets. Check out the eyelets, the metal part. You can do rose gold, metallic gold, black. I went with antique brass. So antique brass. And then the lining, it's just on and on. It's amazing. Look at that. You can make that red or some other crazy color. Click OK. The other part which I loved is sidewall text. You can have sidewall text and you can customize the racing stripe. No, that's not it. Well, I mean, yeah, you can. Like you can do kind of a multicolor there too. But as far as text, it's the heel stripe. Where's that at? Where are you, heel stripe? Heel stripe. Boom. No, where's the, okay, maybe it's in the text. I didn't prepare, I apologize. Text area. It's in this section. Yes, thank you. It's a little hidden, but there's a heel stripe. So what on mine, which you'll see is Kobe, because that's my name. I know it's kind of like Kobe Bryant. Well, actually it's exactly like that. So I did Kobe and a smiley face. You know, just who I am. I don't act my age. And as they say, Jimmy cracked corn and I don't care. So there you go. Kobe. That is not the colors I chose, but it's merely to prove a point. I could roll with this right now, click done, and it just, yeah, you want to do this? Oh, that was one I did earlier. So again, it just, you can click and you can do all these different customized ones. Oh no, it was this one. This is the other one that I did. Mine is still different. This is not my design. Just kind of showing you examples of what it would look like if you were to purchase those. And it's just $75, and you click add to cart. You get them in about 3 weeks, and it's well worth it. So I will show you those now. All right, so it arrived in an unmarked box. Probably a good idea since they're custom shoes. And we'll just quickly get this out of the box. And there it is, Converse blank canvas. I like the way they've gone about it. Nice marketing. I'll just give you a close-up on the label here. You can see the style code, the work order, metric ID, I don't know what that is. The order ID is obviously my order. Okay, then you go to the order date. That's the date I ordered it and the ship date. So you can see there how many days it took. So if you remove the weekends, you're looking at 7 business days. That's actually pretty impressive for a fully customized shoe. And we're going to accelerate through this, get straight to the unboxing. And voila, there we go. Let's get that out of the way. There were a little bit of loose threads. Those aren't like marks on the shoe. I just want to make sure you guys know that. It's sewn really well. And there's my customized Kobe with the smiley face. Seriously. You get 8 characters. So that worked out perfectly. I was very happy with that. And yeah. That's it. Oh yeah, and this is for the ones. Now even though this is one that doesn't require shoelaces, you actually could. You could if you wanted to, if you got bored with the look and wanted to jazz it up a little bit. You could easily still have shoelaces. So either way. And I wore these today. They're very comfortable. They stayed on. They weren't like, you know, some slip-on shoes, it kind of feels like they're falling off or slipping off, or the back heel rubs. None of that. Fit perfectly. Very happy with it. And you could do any kind of custom design. You guys saw the different options. Definitely play around with it. This would be a great gift for someone for $75 plus shipping. I think it's well worth it, and it definitely stands out from just your standard shoe. So hope this helps you for your seasonal buying or birthdays or whatever. And enjoy, have fun, and y'all take care. See ya. Bye. Hey, I'm curious, do you guys like this kind of like music to fade in and fade out, or does it irritate you? I'm curious. So just leave me a message and let me know what you think. I kind of annoys me sometimes, so I'm just curious what your thoughts are. Let me know.